Hello everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a pipe cleaner sword with only 2 pipe cleaners. So let's get into it. Today, you're going to take your 1 yellow piece. You're going to cut it at about, you're going to find the halfway mark here, just like we always do, like this. Wait until these are lined up. Fold it together, crease it, until it's around like that. And then you're going to want to be careful with the end. You're going to want to make sure it's completely pressed like this. You're going to take the sword like this. This is the blade here. You're going to press it out. Make sure it's going at an angle like this. So it looks a little something like that. Bring it down to about here until it's just this much left. You're going to fold it right here. Take one piece, wrap it around. Wrap it down about 4 to 5 times until it looks something like this. So now we have our blade. You can sculpt with it, make sure that it's to the edge blade that you like. Then you're going to take your scissors. You're going to cut this piece off that you were wrapping with. Just like that. Then we're going to take our red. We're going to make a piece. We're going to take half of it like this. Crease that. We're going to take one more half. Make sure that they're lined up like that. And then you're going to take a quarter of it that's bent right here, just like that. You're going to cut it. And this is going to be your guard. You're going to take it like this. You're going to take the tips, wrap one side like this so it presses in like that. Take one more side like that and press it in like that. And then you're going to fold it one more time, just like this. You're going to take the other side and fold it one more time, just like this. And this is going to be your guard. Now you're going to take the sword, you're going to take that right here, just like this. Now you're going to take your red. You're going to take just a little of the tip here and wrap it all the way around the beginning of the sword. And then you're going to wrap it at the end of the sword. And you're going to wrap all the way down, just like this, until it's about this long. We're going to take this piece and we're going to make it secure in a little bit. It's okay if it's shaking around right now. So about this, then you're going to take the rest of the yellow here. You're going to wrap it up like that. Squeeze that end together so that that part isn't cutting you or hurting you anymore. Now you're going to wrap it up once, twice, 3 times until it looks like that knob. Now you're going to take that piece of red right here, cut it, and you're going to take the rest of the red over here. Then you're going to take it back over here, wrap it all the way around the guard for one side, then wrap the other side. And then you're going to take the last of the red, cross it, and you can just keep crossing it over until it looks something like that. Now you're going to mold it together. Press anything that needs to be pressed in. Just shape it until it's to the shape that you like. And just like that, guys, you have your sword. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next video. And I'll see you guys next time.